Dear students, I am Chandrasekhar Singh. Welcome you in SKP online classes. Today the very first topic what we discuss, that is matter in our surrounding. So matter in our surrounding, that is things whatever available around us, whatever you see. Just like your body, you have got hair, you have got nose, you have got computers, you have got mobiles, you have got all the utensils which is utilized in everyday life. We say everything is made up of matter. For example, even for your study, you need pencil, you need pen, you sit on the chair, you eat food, you drink water, everything. All these things, whatever you touch, whatever you observe, whatever you feel, everything is known as matter. Now, how to define the matter? So now we must know what is matter. So we can say matter is anything that occupies space, has mass, and can be perceived by our senses. Matter, that means matter occupies space. So when you sit, little bit of space is occupied. So when you are putting this pen on the table, so on this table it occupies some space. Now if you hold certain thing, if you hold this one, you find that it has got some weight. You can trust these things. You can see it, you can touch it. Now, so whatever you can see, whatever you can touch, easily you can say it is matter. But the certain thing is there which is not visible to us, even then it is matter. Like air. Air is not visible to us. We cannot touch it, but we can feel it. Like fan is running, so I am observing that wind is blowing. So whenever air is blowing, at that time we can feel that it is air which is blowing. Sometimes it moves with a more speed, sometimes it moves at a very slow speed, and sometimes you won't be able to perceive it that the air is blowing or not. But when you breathe, you find that you are taking in something, you are inhaling something. So what is going inside your nose? That is nothing but air. So air is what it is? It is composed of lot of gases. So even gas is a matter, because we can perceive it. We can perceive it. Now, love, hatred, these are the things which you perceive, which you feel it, but these are the things which is not a matter, because love never occupies space. Love never have got mass. Hatred never have got a space, they don't occupy space, as well as it does not have any mass. So if you talk scientifically what is matter, then you will say that everything which have mass and can occupy the space are known as matter. So in nutshell we can say matter is used to cover all the substances and the materials from which universe is made. इसका मतलब हुआ कि मैटर हम उसी को बोलते हैं जो कि जिसमें कि मास होता है और वो स्पेस को ऑक्युपाई करता है, मतलब कुछ न कुछ जगह को कवर करता है। जैसे आप कहेंगे कि हवा कैसे जगह कवर करती है, तो हम एग्जांपल ले सकते हैं कि साइकिल का टायर, ट्यूब, मोटरसाइकिल का ट्यूब, किसी भी व्हीकल का ट्यूब को देख सकते हैं। ट्यूब जो उसके चक्के में लगे हुए रहते हैं, उसमें हम पंप से हवा भरते हैं और धीरे धीरे वो इन्फ्लेट कर जाता है। सो यू कैन टेक द एग्जांपल ऑफ फुटबॉल ऑल्सो। फुटबॉल, it is flattened, but when you fill it with the help of pump, it will get swollen up. That means it occupy the space. उसके बाद जब हवा नहीं भरे थे उसमें हम फुटबॉल का वजन देख सकते हैं, और जब हम उसमें फिर से जब पंप के हेल्प से हवा भर दिए फिर वजन को हाथ में उठाकर देखेंगे तो देखेंगे कि उसका वजन बढ़ गया है, उसका वेट बढ़ गया है। इसका मतलब क्या है कि गैस जो है, हवा जो है, वो स्पेस को भी ऑक्युपाई करता है और वजन भी रहता है, वेट भी रहता है। तो इस तरीके से हम समझ गए कि मैटर हम उसी को कह सकते हैं जिसमें कि कुछ न कुछ वेट होगा और वो इस संसार का कुछ न कुछ स्पेस को वो कवर करेगा, ऑक्युपाई करेगा। तो इस फर्स्ट इंट्रोडक्टरी लेक्चर में हमने आपको बताया कि ये मैटर क्या होता है, मैटर किसे कहते हैं।